Hi there, this is Emmanuel from With It. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use titles to create threads. When I create a new thought, as you can see, there's a add a title line that we haven't used so far. So if you type, for example, business ideas, and the thought is great ideas for every day, this thought now has a special status. You can tap on it and it becomes a new snapshot. From there, you can add any new thought, like what's a great business idea, so creating a QR code to avoid editing a bill in a shop and save a lot of paper. And this business idea, so creating this QR code, is linked to your business ideas thread. And if you go back to your timeline, you see that this thought has the little business ideas chip, which means it's linked to this business ideas thread. You can add another one, like generating hydrogen using solar power, for example. That's a great idea. And it's also attached to this business ideas. Now, what happens if you want to explore more one idea? What you can do is add a title to this specific thought, like this one could be hydrogen generation, and save it. And this hydrogen generation thought now becomes also the starting of a new thread where you can create a new thought, for example, using high temperature copper to crack water. And this thought is now linked to hydrogen generation. If you go back to your timeline, you see all your ideas back there. And as you can see, the using high temperature copper is linked to hydrogen generation, which is linked to business ideas, and so on and so forth. So you can really navigate your thoughts very easily from one idea to another one. What is even better is that With It now recognizes those little titles. So for example, if you say Matt is a specialist in hydrogen generation, for example, With It will detect the keyword hydrogen generation, and you can link that thought to the thought hydrogen generation that is just at the bottom here. So if I add this thought with Matt is linked to hydrogen generation and is part of this thread. So as you can see, this is really powerful to create threads of ideas, and each thread or each idea inside a thread can become its own thread, exactly like you would do in your brain, branching ideas, exploring more and more, and linking all this together. So that's it for this one. I hope you are really enjoying With It, and see you at the next tutorial.